Hello, YouTube land. Went to Harbor Freight today and picked up some things. And first, before I show you what I bought, let's show you this. Remember these little lights? And they're magnetic. Then they went to this guy. Well, now they went to this. Yes. It's a baby little keychain. This was $1.49 at Harbor Freight today. And I was on the fence about buying it, but I was like, come on, for $1.49. It's got a magnet. It's got a little magnet. And it's $1.49. And before I turn it on, it's a keychain. And right off the bat, I mean, you see this hook, but if you see this little plastic, I guess you want to call loop, that's eventually going to break. That's eventually going to break, wear off. So I wouldn't suggest maybe using this on your car keys. Maybe like if you had like a set of keys going to the shed or something, but in the long run, this is going to bust. So anyway, let's take this guy off. Nice little sticker. Go loop him around. And to activate it, you gotta pull this little, there's a little tab here. So we're gonna pull this. Hopefully this works. Okay, so alright, pull that guy out. Alright, let's see. There's a little button on the side over here. There's a little button right here. And we'll see if this works. And it works. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. Give me a second. I just realized playing with this thing before showing you what it looks like in the dark. This actually has 3 modes. You have a high, a low, and a strobe mode. Wow. Okay. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. Okay. I'm going to turn it on. That's high. That's not bad. That's actually pretty decent. Wow, that's actually pretty decent. That's low. And that's strobe. It's actually pretty decent for a little flashlight. I'm actually kind of shocked. Wow, that's pretty cool. So if you drop something, you can look for it. Okay, let me give you my final thoughts real quick. Okay, here's my final thoughts. Like I said, you can see the size comparison. It's a keychain mini LED flashlight, and on the back it says about the battery. It's a CR2033 lithium battery, which I guess it's I'm assuming it's a watch battery, like a little circle watch battery. So overall, it's cute, but like I said, long term, I don't think it's. I think eventually this loop is gonna break off, wear and tear, break off your keychain. So probably what I'm gonna do is take off the keychain part, and I'm just gonna, like the rest of these lights, I'm just gonna tack it to my toolbox. Let it sit there. So is it worth $1.49? Yeah, maybe, I guess. For $1.49, I guess it's okay. I'm sure one day Harbor Freight will give these away free with a coupon. Hopefully if they ever bring back coupons and catalogs and flyers. So that is the review of the Harbor Freight Keychain Mini LED Flashlight. Thank you.